Hello there, I'm gonna show you the Mi Band 2. I received it in this plastic bag here, and I'm gonna open it right now. So it's pretty good box, looks nice. Whoa, that's embarrassing. I can't. Yeah, that's it. So I already use it for 1 month probably, and it's really good, I think, for the price of $25 or something. That's equal of €20. Here it is. It's kind of, there is some soft thing here, foam or something. Pretty good. That's the Mi Band. Let me open it. So it's stuck here. That's the Mi Band, and here it is. You can see it on my right hand, and the charger cable. I'm using it with this adapter, what I have for my phone, and you can charge it for 2 hours probably. Yeah, but what I notice about the Mi Band is that in every website it says standby about 20 days or something, but it can't go for 20 days for sure, because I'm using it and now it's 36% and I charged it 8 days ago. That's what it says on Mi Fit software. So what you can see on the screen is the clock and the date. Second touch, you can see the steps. It's early in the morning, so I've got just 400 steps. So you can choose what you can see on the display on the Mi Fit software, the app, and order it as you can want, to put first to be the battery capacity or something. So the steps, then the meters what these steps are equal to, then the calories what you have burned today. I don't believe to that, and the heart rate monitor, it's go on when you go on that step, and next one is the battery percentage what energy is left in it. You can put it on the right hand or the left one, but you need to change it that in the Mi Fit app where you prefer to use it. So I already put right hand, and I don't know what's the difference, but yeah, that's it. So it's okay for 20 euro. It counts, it shows the clock and the steps, and then that's it overall. But yeah, it's okay if you want to have something on your hand and be a little bit more stylish, I guess I can say. So that's it. Thanks for watching.